Hi, my name is Olin. Welcome to Chicken or Egg Studios presents Survival Show. Today I will be making a DIY rain catcher because over 26% of the world's population does not have access to clean water. So let's fix that. First, you will need a simple 2-liter soda bottle right here and a pair of scissors. You'll measure about 1.5 inches down into the bottle and make an incision there and then start cutting. Then you will have the bottle, you will measure batches of the bottle down of the top and turn this around. And for the final step, you'll need to bend out these flaps. And that's it. It's just where you're expecting rain. That's how you make a rain catcher. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video where I purify the water.